Hi, good morning, friends. This is Srinivas Temkar from AstroGemstoneForLife.com, and I like to wish you all a very happy New Year and a prosperous New Year. Okay, so as you know, we have started the 2022 journey today, and today I'm gonna share you across how the 2022 is all about for you all and for the country. Okay, so let us proceed. So mainly this year, usually in every yearly predictions, we take three major planets transitions like Jupiter, Saturn, Rahu, and Ketu. Okay, this year 2022, the April month is seeing a major transitions of all these four planets. Okay, Jupiter is transiting on 14th of April 2022, okay, from Aquarius to Species, okay, and Saturn is transiting from Capricorn to Aquarius from 29th of April 2022, and Rahu and Ketu are transiting from uh, Taurus to Aries from 13th of April 2022. Okay, so what I'll be telling is after April, okay, that's a major chunk of the year. So for that, I'll be telling you for all the zodiacs what are the effects and how the 2022 would be all about. Okay, please stay tuned. Before going to that, so what I'll be telling you this 2022 how would be for our country, India. Okay, so mainly it shows that we all know that 2019 COVID pandemic had hit it very badly the entire world, including our India, okay, our country. So this 2022 would be a very better time, okay. So we will be fighting COVID in a very eminent way this year, okay, comparatively in the entire globe, okay. In our case, in our country, the cases count would be comparatively less. We won't be in a first position or a second position as we were in the first wave and the second wave, okay. So we would be very much in a least count. That's the one good point, okay. I could able to also foresee that there will be some revolutionary changes in the petroleum industry, okay. So what exactly that means, there will be some alternative fuels would jump in our automobile industry this year, and they'll be making a huge noise, okay. That's the one. And comparatively, coming to the farmers, okay, they are the backbone of our country, what we say. However, the farmers start adopting new technologies. They gonna have some new age techniques, new complete transformation. Other than just farming, they'll be doing some other than agricultural activities. They'll be doing some more into different streams they start diving into. However, I could able to see also that the land contamination rate would be high this year, okay, due to some other chemicals and pesticides usage. This year the land contamination rate is high. Along with this, the groundwater depletion would be more, okay. The groundwater table level would be much lower comparatively for previous years this year. Due to that, there are chances of having some uh, earthquake issues. Also, the fertility of the land would be quite low. The real estate and construction industry would face a major changeover, okay. That would come after having some kind of a loss, and this loss would happen mainly overall performing the traditional methodology of doing the business. They are gonna face some issues. However, few people are who have adopted the new technology, new way of doing the business in real estate and construction, they are gonna do much better this year. The our country women would try to be more liberal and like to be more detached to the traditional ethics of our Indian tradition. Okay. And one key thing is many have already been predicted that there will be some major event is gonna happen with respect to the uh, country politics. Okay, in the main central area as of after Sankranti or whatever. Also, I can't see any such thing till November this year. Okay, nothing major changes would happen. However, between 19th of April to 19th of May this year, there are the chances of again one strong bill would central would bring up that will transform the nation completely. Some major bill is gonna be passed. Due to that, probably there will be more oppositions, like opposition leaders. They have to oppose. They are gonna be opposing all these things. That will be some major changes. However, that particular effects we could able to see in the end of this year. That is mid of November till December. All those kind of changes. Fine. This was all about our country. Let's dive into each individual zodiacs and let us understand what's happening. Before going into this, I would like to tell the Sadesati is running this year for Capricorn, Aquarius, and Species, and the Lagos Sadesati or the Kantakashini, what we call, they have been affected on Cancer and Scorpio zodiacs. Okay. Before going into what all the predictions related to zodiacs, they are all based on the moon zodiac of yours, and what are the bad effects or the good effects, whatever I am telling, they are purely based on the planetary motions. Okay, that's a gochara what we call. As you know, our individual dashas key plays a vital role. For example, if the individual's dasha is quite good, even the gochara is having very bad influence on him, it doesn't harm in any way. On the contrast note, if the person's dasha is very bad, even good things from the gochara he can't able to experience anything or neutral, but the bad effects would be multiplied a lot. Okay, so please keep an eye on your individual dashas so you can comparatively compare what are the predictions I am giving it, and this is more on the generic front. Okay, let me start. Okay, let's start with the first zodiac, that's Aries. Aries guys would have a slow progress in life. Okay, they would be having more ignorance towards their life and their self as well. There will be some unknown problems due to which the stress would burst out, and due to this stress there will be a complexities of some health issues as well. I could able to foresee there will be some poor financial planning as well, which will lead to them a major chunk of problem. Okay, let's go to the Taurus guys. Taurus people have the chances of getting more enmity this year. Even their close friends can able to turn into some enmity due to some kind of small misunderstandings which will lead to this. And also they also be having an unknown expenses. Okay, and these unknown expenses unfortunately would be towards their very much bad habits would increase this year. Business people would start doing good. However, service industry people, they are the who work under somebody on the company, they'll be challenged more. Okay, they'll be challenged more, and they can't able to face those challenges, and due to this, they'll be ineffective in their career path this year. Going to Gemini. Okay, Gemini people would suffer from getting into a more accurate decision this time. Usual tendencies, Gemini people would fail to come into one proper decision, as they will be having, most of the time they will get confused or the dilemma most of the time. But this year the dilemma would push into more of a wrong decisions rather than in a right decisions. Okay, and they have a tendency of getting into more of a depression due to elaborating small issues into bigger ones. Okay, for small issues they try to resolve in a bigger aspect, and they try to stretch it and just think a lot. Due to that, the stress will generate, and their tendency of going into depression is more, and they'll be detached with the family this year. Okay, Cancer. For Cancer, it's a better period as a whole to say. All the unplanned things or stuck things last year would turn into more positive this year, and the people who are planning to do their higher education, or they are doing, the Cancerians, they can have a better period this year. However, you should keep an eye on your expenses, please. Let's jump into Leo. Leo, they'll be having slow progress in their life. They wanted to do some new works. However, the monotonous job would keep them or give them more stress, and there will be more of an expenses on their religious beliefs. Next, we'll go to Virgo. Virgo, there will be a sudden reduction in your income flow, and there also have a chances of transfer or working abroad this year. And you guys would be having a good family time. A lot of positivity and practicality would be more this year. Let's move on to next zodiac, that is Libra. Libra guys, it's not at all a good period. Okay, you guys can easily go into a depression because you tend to be more emotional this year. Okay, and there will be pitching in some unknown issues or unknown problems, due to which you undergo a lot of stress, and due to stress you undergo a lot of health issues as well. Okay, students of Librian would be having concentration issues, and there are chances of ending up with backlogs. Let's move on to Scorpio. Scorpio guys as well, they'll be having slow progress in life and in their careers too. The service industry people would suffer a lot because they won't be having any increment this year as expected. Okay, there will be unknown losses as well. Students and teachers and software professionals would do slightly better this year. Let's move on to Sagittarius. Sagittarius people would be something like everything would be turning towards their end. Okay, however, at the end, that's a breaking line, everything would vanish. Okay, it will be just slip off in just a few seconds. It will be in that case. Okay, your time is of that situation, and due to this unhappening things, you generate lot of stress. Due to stress, health issues would arise at the same time, and you be born to lot of competitions around you, and due to this competitions whenever it arises, your laziness would make you ignore it. That means, in simple terms, you'll get some good opportunities and you ignore it and completely get into a stressful time later, thinking that, oh, I lost it. Okay, so keep an eye on your opportunities this year, Sagittarius people. Let's go on to Capricorn. Capricorn people, income would be in a very much slowly progress. Okay, it doesn't come to a faster pace still. Okay, and you may need to work more and harder to get your 100% of your income. Okay, unknown expenses are evident for you again, and mainly you guys lack to be in a competitive field. Okay, that courage you won't be having this year, as well as the financial stability wouldn't be better this year. Let's move on to Aquarius. Aquarius, again, there is a slow progress in life, and due to which you would get stressed out and you will get emotional, and however the income wise you'll be having a better period. And lastly, we are moving to Species. Species, it's not a better time. Financial instability would be there, and lot of bad habits would increase this year, and due to which there will be unknown expenses also. And you guys have the chances a lot of getting local infections, and this is a period of COVID, Omicron. Please be careful this year. You have a very high chances of getting infected by COVID. This is all what I had. Happy New Year once again to all of you. Let's have a wonderful year ahead. Thank you guys. Namaste. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu.